A very good morning to all of you. Today we will learn chapter number 16, light, and in this chapter we shall study what is light, what is reflection of light, what are laws of reflection of light and type of reflection. So let us see first light. Light is a form of energy that help us to see the object around us. In physics, light is a electromagnetic radiation that is detect our eyes. We know that without light we cannot see the object around us. In a dark room we cannot see. Only in the presence of light we can see. And we know that to see an object, two things is required. One thing is presence of light. Light should be there, and the another thing is that is eye. Eye alone cannot see, able to see. You can take example in a dark room, or when suddenly there is a no electricity, there is a no light in a dark room. We have eye, but there is a no light, so we cannot see the object. Or we can say that when light reflected by any object and this light coming from that object to in our eyes, we see the object. So objects are seen, or the objects are visible due to the light. So light is things that visible the object. Now see second, that is a reflection of light. Reflection of light means the bouncing back of light or the bouncing of light into same medium after striking from the opaque object is called a reflection of light. Or we can say in another words, when light falls on an object, this object reflected this light into same medium. So the striking of the light from an opaque object or mirror is known as reflection of light. You have studied this reflection of light in lower classes, in class 7th or in class 8th. We also conducted an activity on this by taking a plane mirror, and then we fall the light on the plane mirror. This mirror return back the light into same medium, and this reflected light can be seen. Now we will discuss the laws of reflection of light. Number third, that is laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of lights, and these laws are applicable all type of mirrors in all situation. The first law of reflection of light states that the incident ray a reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. This is the first law of reflection of light, and the second one is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Means angle I is equal to angle R. If angle of incidence is 30 degree, then the angle of reflection is also 30 degree. So this, according to this law, the angle and I and the angle are both equals. Now we will understand it with the help of diagram. This is suppose mirror, this is the mirror or a smooth surface. This is a mirror or a smooth surface, and this is the incident ray. This is the incident ray. This is ray is known as the incident ray. And when this fall on the mirror reflect this. You can also explain it like this. This mirror is painted from the another side, and the another is the reflecting surface like this. So this is the reflected ray. Reflected ray, and this the angle of the 90 degree perpendicular this reflecting surface is known as the normal. So this is the normal. So in this diagram we can see that the ray that is falls on the mirror, that is known as angle of incidence, and the ray that is returned back after the striking from the mirror, that is known as reflected ray. And this line that form the 90 degree angle, that is the normal, and this is the angle of incidence, and this is the angle of reflection. The angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. So according to the first law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane, and the second is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. So this is the explanation of laws of reflection of light, and the next topic, that is type of reflection. Type of reflection. Type of reflection as regular and irregular, and it is also known as diffused. So we can understand it in the form of diagram also. First, regular reflection of light. So we can understand it with the help of the diagram also. Regular reflection of light. This is a surface, or that is mirror or highly polished surface. When rays are falls on this mirror, this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Incident ray and the reflected ray. Incident ray and reflected ray. Incident ray and reflected ray. So in regular reflection of light, we see that the reflected ray form a design, or they are parallel after the reflection. So such type of the reflection in which the rays are parallel after the reflection, or such type of the reflection is take place by the regular surface or smooth surface, and these surfaces are as a mirror or any polished surface. And in this regular reflection of the light, the reflection is clear, but in case of irregular reflection of the light, the surface are irregular, it is not plane, the surface is like that. When light coming on this surface, this go in different direction, this is not parallelly, this go like this. So in case of irregular reflection of light, that is take place by not a plane surface, that is a rough surface, and in such type of the reflection is not clear, and such type of the reflection take place by paper, that is a rough surface, by the hardboard. So if we differentiate between regular and irregular reflection of the light, so first point is regular take place by smooth surface, irregular take place by the rough surface. Second, in case of the regular, the reflection is clear. In case of irregular, the reflection is not clear. Third, you can take the diagram. The rays are parallel in case of regular reflection of the light. The rays are not parallel in case of irregular reflection of light. So this is about what is reflection, or the laws of reflection, and the type of reflection, that is regular and irregular reflection of light. Thank you very much for watching this video.